shit, I thought he fell. What, Matt? Huh?
Basically shower in a can.
Shower in a can.
Sponsor me, chemical guys. Oh, it's not even there.
I know.
Why don't we just wash our cars like this permanently?
Always out with the S550s. Ooh. Damn. I'm gonna have to run you. I'm gonna have to run this guy. I'm always out with the S550s. Only S197. Promise you, I'm always here. And that Shell Power Nitro. Look at this guy. He already wants to take my fucking antenna. I just got it back. He probably took the first one too. You took the first antenna. It's probably in your room somewhere. Huh? So many S550s. I'm telling you, dude, I'm gonna have to run you. I'm gonna have to run this guy. He keeps sneezing at me for some reason. But check out the Wicker Bill. Yes, sir. Wicker Bill, boy. We're gonna head downtown, take some shots of the cars. I don't know, maybe get a couple runs in or something. So we're just in a random parking garage downtown, taking some shots of the Mustangs. I got Ivan's man bag. We just met this dude. We were at a meet earlier. The viewer saw you revving at me. We're gonna have to get some runs in, dude. We're gonna get some runs in.
Once I tune in.
Yeah, for sure. When you tune it, we'll have to get a run in when it's tuned. Next in line for the pictures. Get in line. Wait your turn. This is who I need to run. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell you the same thing I told the other guy. We're gonna have to run it. We're gonna
Right?
We're gonna have to. Huh?
I'm down.
Oh fuck yeah. Here you know it's Poppy's turn. Get some shots. Let Ivan do his work. Check him out on his Instagram, guys. Take some pretty good shots. Give him a follow. That top end, bro. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Wanna do a roll? A quick little roll?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do 10 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Alright. Down for one more? Alright, go for it. You can honk. Those are good runs, man. Those are good. It's pretty good. Not bad for a 6, huh?
Huh?
Not bad for a 6.
Dude, that shit's fucking quick.
Alright, I think we're good there, bro.
Yeah. We got pulled over.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
hey,
see you, bro.
Alright, take it easy, brother. BMW, just want to get the sauce real quick. Spun out first and second, that's why I let off the throttle. Right now it's 2 a.m. We were out doing that hood rat stuff. So make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. You know, getting races like that, it's not easy. People don't always want to just run their cars for the hell of it. So, but shout out to the 5.0 owner. I believe his name is Enrique. So huge shout out to you, Enrique. Put your Instagram in the description below. So go ahead and check him out. He just started his Instagram up, so go ahead and give him a follow. But as I expected, the top end of those Coyotes is just, you can't beat them. Especially when you add boost to those motors. Oh my god, the top end is just insane. So naturally aspirated, it kind of expected for it to beat me in the top end and against a 6-cylinder. But I don't think the little baby 6-cylinder did all that bad against the 5.0 on the streets. And I'm thinking I might have to invest in some ported intake manifold so I could get some top end horsepower, get some top end torque and whatever the hell, because that's now the weak point of my car. I think it's the top end. A lot of cars tend to pull on me in the top end. If they're gonna beat me, it's gonna pull on the top end, because off the line in first gear, this thing is a little rocket because of the 373s, but the top end power is kind of slacking right now, so I'm thinking I might have to invest in some ported intake manifold. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the Mexico footage. Check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the